I want to welcome owner-operator of Hillview Wood and Metal, Tony Rouleau.
Born and raised in upstate New York, true upstate New York, not just above the city. I'm about an hour north of Albany, right in the middle of the state, right on the Vermont border.
Give us a little bit of that, of things that burned an impression into you.
Well, I was born in 77, so I was an 80s kid. Star Wars was huge. Transformers and Legos were like, that was it when I was a kid. That influenced me a lot, obviously, with the making and tinkering and how things work. All different facets of music, movies. Back to the Future was like huge when I was a kid. I remember watching that constantly on VHS. You know, just kind of an 80s kid.
What sort of directed you into the community with all these people that we all know and share commonalities with?
It was pretty much just an accident, really. I'm pretty introverted, surprisingly enough. But I'm very introverted outside of the maker community. And one day I saw Andrew Aragon's group, I Like to Make Stuff. And I was like, well, I like Bob Claggett. So I just started really getting into the YouTube videos. So I joined that, and I joined it maybe 1 or 2 months after Berkey was in, and then Lutz, and all of a sudden, you know, those guys always have their hand on your back, you know, and they were really supportive, and I just saw how much they embraced you, you know, and I just kind of, it gave me my footing in order to get my voice and show what I do and what I like to do, and it just took off from there.
JP?
I'm just going to leave everybody with some great words of inspiration I got from Chris Fisher, the blind woodturner, and it's basically 4 words that just says, not dead, can't quit.
We've featured a lot of badass mother truckers that build, inspire, and make, such as Adam McMillan, Bobby Duke, Sterling Davis, Scrollsaw Scribbler, Dirty Smith, Tony Rouleau, Ray Makes, Keith Decent, Bales, JP Woodwork, Daniel Harju, Jack Bench, Rustic Duck Furniture, Chip Bills, Michael Zerker, Socomo, I Jessup, Herb Lichtenberg, Wartooth Designs, Heath Knuckles, Rebecca DeGroot, Elm City Vintage, Andy Berkey, Dan the Maker Man, Doc Jared Hildebrand, Northside Custom Craft, Make It Sof, King's Fine Woodworking, 5x30 Woodworking, Mark Lindsay CNC, Works by Solo, Brett McAfee, Al's Hack Shack, Carl Jacobson, Charles Deering, Javi's Wood Shop, Miter Mike's Wood Shop, Temple Boy Turnings, Waylight Creations, Awesome Wood Things, Man Crafting TM, retro shirts and standard shirts available. Check out the description.